Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we're going to give you an update on the construction of the Hard Rock Hotel. Now, what you're looking at is the construction of the Unico Hotel. The Hard Rock and the Unico are owned by the same hotel chain and they are actually building three hotels out here. So the Hard Rock has received all the necessary approvals, so they are going to start construction very soon. But look at the size of this development. This one is the Unico, which is only between 450 and 550 rooms. The Hard Rock is going to be over 1,000 rooms. So it's going to be even bigger than this, but it's going to be located to the right of this property, and another hotel is going to be located to the left. At one point you hear it's a Half Moon Hotel, another time you heard it's a another hotel. But now we're going to go through an article where that gives an update on the Hard Rock. And in this article, it says it's a AVA Resort Hotel. So I'm not sure what the third hotel name will be. Oh, Ritz-Carlton. At first it was to be a Ritz-Carlton, the third hotel. So then you heard it was a Half Moon, because Half Moon is building a 28th floor hotel out here. And then now it's saying AVA Resorts. But regardless of what hotel they decide to put as a third one, the Unico is under construction. That's what we're looking at. And the Hard Rock is going to start very soon. So we're going to go through an article that gives the latest on what's happening with the Hard Rock Hotel. Jamaica stands at the threshold of a major transformation in its tourism industry, with international hospitality powerhouse PAM Hotels poised to establish a Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Montego Bay. This ambitious development, expected to feature more than 1,000 luxury rooms and a full-scale casino, is not just a milestone in local hospitality, it is a defining moment in Jamaica's economic and tourism industry. The project is part of a broader US $1 billion private sector investment that includes the ongoing construction of the Unico Hotel Jamaica and the planned AVA Resort Jamaica. These three developments, all situated on a prime beachfront in St. James, signals Jamaica's commitment to moving beyond traditional tourism and into the realm of high-end, experience-driven hospitality. Tourism has long been a pillar of the Jamaican economy, generating employment, foreign exchange, and global visibility. However, the entry of internationally recognized brands such as Hard Rock elevates the industry to new heights. Not only will this venture enhance Jamaica's luxury offerings, but the inclusion of a casino could also diversify the nation's tourism product, attracting new markets and boosting visitor spending. The government backing of the Unico project, evidenced by the presence of Prime Minister Andrew Holness and other top officials at the groundbreaking ceremony, reflects strong public-private alignment. Prime Minister Holness' remarks during that event captured the essence of this partnership: trust in Jamaica's economic stability, respect for its cultural capital, and belief in its growth potential. PAM Hotels' investment is also a vote of confidence in Jamaica's regulatory environment and infrastructure readiness. Attracting a development of this scale from a global brand is no small feat. It demonstrates that Jamaica is not only a desirable destination for tourists, but also a credible and attractive location for international capital. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.